Well, the first phase of the murder trial of Carlos Reales Dominguez is nearing its end. Jurors are now deliberating. Case Area 3's Maricela de la Cruz has been following the case from the courtroom.
5 weeks since opening statements began in the 2023 Davis stabbings case, jurors in the murder trial against Carlos Reales Dominguez are ready for deliberations. This morning, both parties building their arguments on the accused killer's guilt. Prosecutors trying to convince jurors that the 22-year-old intended to commit the killings and that the stabbings were premeditated, adding that there are people suffering from schizophrenia that never commit any killings.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call a pattern, an MO. Selecting your victims particular times of the night in areas where they are unsuspecting. A pattern. The defendant's actions were willful, deliberate, and premeditated.
While the defense focused on Dominguez's severe mental illness, recounting how expert witnesses agreed that the defendant was experiencing his first psychotic break during the time of the stabbings.
Is that he'd been sick for 2 years, and no one did anything to help him. You see, when someone is injured physically, people rush to help. We saw that with Mr. Abu Najm, Dr. Massey, the neighbor. But when someone is mentally ill, people do nothing.
Today, prosecutors accepted a motion for the additional charge of involuntary manslaughter. Dominguez is facing charges in the killings of David Bro and Karim Abu Najm. These would either be first-degree murder charges, second-degree murder, or involuntary manslaughter. Other charges are attempted murder related to Kimberly Guillory stabbing. Jurors will choose between personal use of a deadly weapon and personal infliction of great bodily injury. The second phase of the trial will determine Dominguez's insanity. In Woodland, Maricela de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.
And it's unknown how long deliberations will take. The judge wants to begin the preliminary conversation about the second phase of the trial. That's next Monday, and like you heard, that's to determine Dominguez's sanity.